Hello, little friends. Do you see that kite flying high up there? Or those leaves dancing on the tree branches? That's all thanks to an invisible but super strong friend. Can you guess who it is? That's right, it's the wind. But where does the wind come from? Is the sky using a giant fan? Let's go find the answer together. First up, we need to meet the energy boss, the one and only Murdoch's Sun. Every single day, Mr. Sun shines his warm, bright rays all the way down onto our Earth. But here's a funny little secret: not everything heats up the same way, the land. Like the sandy beach gets hot super duper fast, while the big, wide ocean stays much, much cooler. This means the air in these two places ends up with different temperatures. One spot is toasty warm and the other is refreshingly cool. Now, imagine the air is made of tiny, invisible balloons. When the air balloons near the hot ground get all warm and toasty, they become super light and start to float up, high into the sky. It's like they're saying, "It's too hot down here, we're going up where it's cooler." But oh no! When all that hot air floats away, it leaves a big empty space down on the ground. It's like a playground with no one on the swings. Who is going to fill that empty spot? Aha! Look over there. It's the cold air friends. They're all huddled together over the cool ocean. They're heavier and like to hang out low to the ground. When they see that big empty space over the land, they think, party time. And they all rush over as fast as they can to fill it up. It's like a giant race, and guess what? That big rush of cold air moving from the cool spot to the warm spot is exactly the wind that we feel. It's just air on the move. Sometimes, when the temperature difference isn't too big, the air friends just jog over slowly, and that gives us a gentle breeze. But other times, when the ground is super hot and the ocean is super cold, they have to sprint as fast as they can. That's when we get a strong storm. So, it's really simple. The sun heats the ground, the hot air rises, the cold air rushes in, and that creates wind. So, now you know the secret. The wind isn't a giant fan in the sky. It's just a big, planet-sized game of tag between hot air and cold air, all started by our friend, Mr. Sun. Next time you feel a cool breeze on your cheeks, you can smile and remember that it's just the air friends running around and playing. Goodbye for now, little scientists. Thanks for exploring with me, and see you next time.